Hunan Tiantuo Construction Machinery Company is located in the Mi Luo Fei Di Industrial Park. The company specializes in research, development, production, and sales of all kind of concrete pumping equipment, such as trailer concrete pump with without mixer, truck boom pump with without mixer, truck-mounted concrete pump with without mixer, hydraulic placing boom, folding tower crane, mini wheel loader, truck with crane. The company plant covers an area of 40,000 square meters, and the workshop has 21,000 square meters. Our factory has more than 200 employees, including more than 90 R&D and marketing personnel, 5 branches and 25 offices all over the country. Overseas, products have been exported to more than 40 countries and regions, such as Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and Commonwealth of Independent States. Right now, Tiantuo Machinery has developed into a large enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales, with annual domestic sales of more than 47 million US dollars. Tiantuo Machinery products have well-known brand components from Germany, America, Japan, France, and other well-known countries such as Rexroth hydraulic oil pump in Germany, Schneider Electric in French, Eaton hose in American. In the future, Tiantuo Machinery will continue to give full play to the technical advantages of independent innovation, build a high-efficiency and high-quality manufacturing system, create value for customers, constantly launch new and better construction machinery and equipment, and strive to meet the needs of every customer.